Hi, my name is Namisha. I'm an artist. I started painting when I was 6 or 7 years old. So my father used to paint when he was younger, and he was in Merchant Navy. He's retired now. So every time he used to go on the ship, he used to be there for 7 months, and he used to have a great isolated space where he could paint. That pretty much inspired me a lot, and that's how my creative journey started. I moved to Goa for this creative freedom because I feel this space has this beautiful vibe about it. So me and my husband, we took a decision. We booked a one-way flight and just came to Goa and figured it out on the go. And how siesta came into picture, where you get influenced by the Goan details and Goan culture and the vibe of Goa, and I could then sort of envision all of that together into this fun print that I created. And in the print itself, you will see these small details of spatial elements that I see in and around Goa when you're walking, and you will immediately see that, okay, this is the Goa vibe. It's chill, it's relaxed, beautiful tiles and beautiful balcony details, those doors, fishes, everything that you have around it. And I sort of amalgamated all those ideas together, and this sort of print came together. When I walked all across and I saw these beautiful verandas where people are sitting outside and just chilling and having a siesta moment, and that was actually the inspiration for it. I called this Goa Balcao, which is like the veranda balcony of Goa. This set of colors that you see on me right now, or you see with the print that I created, the blues that I've used, the earthy colors that I've used, is also because when you see around you, this is what reminds you of the beach, right? Like the sand color, like that's how the base color came together. The blues is something, the beautiful fountain house, if you walk on, you have these beautiful colorful houses, and how you get inspired by these like spurts of color coming together. Yet it sort of balances out. It's not something that comes like completely out of the blue, saying blue. And I don't like to put together just like a basic simple frame or just certain elements together. I do like to have some creativity, or create like a space where you can see certain different elements and layers to it. Specifically, I like skewed perspectives. Like, you know, you won't see a table just in the front. Like, I'll always make the table a little like go a little wonky. So you're almost like you're seeing it from the top a bit. But actual in life, you won't see the table like that. And that's the beauty of art, right? Like, you can really like change and tweak those things that you can't do in reality. And that's what art makes it so magical, to like deep dive into it and just do something that is completely out of the blue.